Coming to the 2023 I See My Baby retreat, I did not know what to expect. All I was focused on was preparing and praying to speak. I didn't know that I was going to walk away with more. I thought I was just coming to give. I didn't know I was coming to receive. See, when I see my baby, I think about actual pregnancy. But from that retreat, I've learned that Alicia Hurt is not only helping people deal with infertility issues with natural birth, but also spiritual birth. Through that retreat, I was able to let go of some things. I was able to understand that God loves me and see me for who I am. To be in a room with such powerful women from different walks of life, and for us to be able to come together and to be able to pour into each other, see each other, and pray for each other. Listen, if you have not registered for 2024, y'all, we are going to be in Jamaica. You need to register for the 2024 I See My Baby retreat. And not only do you need to register for yourself, you need to bring your sister, your mother, and all of your friends. I hope to see you at the I See My Baby 2024 retreat.